My dog's about to eat a bee. We have to wait a sec.
Rock stars or rocket with stars or something. She like made it to the final round. Wow. Second and shit, dude.
Who is?
My daddy's friends from school. I was like, oh my god, is she good?
Exactly.
They make it to the,
Playing
she
a
makes it
Minecraft.
to the, she's in the semifinals now. And if she makes it to the finals, they have the chance to take it on American Idol or something next season.
Who?
That's crazy, dude.
Oh, yeah, I just asked him.
I turned on the television
She was
last
really good.
Dad, watch out, I'm recording this. Dad, watch out.
Like 6:15. It's
Recording this.
15.
Oh, she's going! Oh!
She was close there.
Oh. That's it.
Oh, she's about to jump
That's
over
it.
that fence.
Wow, she ain't jumping over shit. She might knock it down because that fucking thing's a piece.
You see that last week, Dave? I turned on the television. I don't watch that shit. That America's Got Talent.
No, I think it's hilarious. It's
You
hilarious.
see the guy getting hit in the balls?
I'm like, oh yeah. Is that crazy?
Oh, damn.
Yes, that was his talent, man. He went on
The
stage
black guy
like
did.
the balls like 3 times.
3 times.
Hard as fuck.
Yeah.
he had the balls. He didn't have any feeling.
He was like,
No feeling. They makes fucking shit like
That's when he realized
Maybe he was
They like
paralyzed.
put a brick on his shit and like smash it with a bat.
you could have first
On
looked
his
up.
shit,
What
dude.
up?
So they smashed him with a sledgehammer.
They smashed his brick
I
with a
couldn't watch
sledgehammer on
that
his
shit.
ball.
It was a cinder block. It was a
I
cinder
couldn't
block.
watch that
It's
shit.
crazy.
He lay down like this and the guy whacked him with a bamboo pole.
What
Yeah.
the?
And then he got up and ran up his ramp,
And jumped onto a pole.
jumped onto a pole like this.
Was he
Yeah.
paralyzed
Like
there?
a horse that you would, the gymnastic horse or
No,
something.
see, they don't understand that.
That show is awesome. I love it.
Like, to them, they're like, what's that? That's our burden, motherfuckers. You guys bleed and have kids, whatever, dude.
Whatever.
Oh, you might have somebody punch you in the nuts one day. One day. You have to do this monthly.
I got hit here by a baseball one time,
Exactly,
man.
I
I hurt like
agree.
fuck.
Like, if you get
Well, Ann
flicked a
pushed
little
a
bit.
kid out too, but I didn't have to do that. But a lot of women have to push kids out too. Really?
For 1 week.
At least once a month we should punch
no.
people. It's not even that. Like
Oh,
push the kid out of your shit. I said I didn't have to go through that thankfully, but
Yeah, you might have seen the balls or punch you in the face.
fuck that. That's nothing compared to pushing a kid. I was thankful to have to go to C-section.
If you had nuts and got kicked in them, you'd be like, whatever.
I never, ever in a million years thought to myself, oh my god, I am not.
I'm telling you. That shit's crazy.
On top of the 24 hours of fucking contract. That's
You
I've
play.
never even had that.
Gravity
No labor, nothing.
I love that.
She's
That's
an
all.
anomaly.
They have the gravity guy when you get that
Yeah,
She
no.
came
Yeah,
talk
jetpack
about
No
it.
joyride.
labor. I can't.
That's bullshit. This bitch was in labor forever,
Yeah,
dude.
never.
The whole entire
Never.
day, man.
I don't even know what labor
My
feels
mom,
like.
my mom
8 a.m.
complains
until
about me to
midnight,
this day. She's like, you were 10 fucking pounds. I was like, oh, come on.
My mom's like, yeah, when you came out, you get pissed on me.
I don't even want to have
Problem
this experience.
Very pissed on embarrassed. Nice. Get the chip
You're
Damien's
proud
like,
of your little self.
Welcome to the world. Boom.
He's like, you got fucked.
That's what's up.
He's like, hey, just a heads up, I'm gonna be kicking your ass. Boom.
It's calm. Dad, you still had cigarettes.
Are you?
Yeah, Mom, didn't I bring some cigarettes up?
Brady, will you throw this? Will you throw this in the thing?
Hey, I'm trying to do something. Oh. Did you see it? You see it? You see it?
Yeah, see why.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, you gotta look at the thing.
I'll be right back.
Who the hell keeps that
Where?
code on it?
Password in?
Yeah, right.
What is it?
It's the whole code on the back.
I don't know. I don't know what it is. I never set it up. It won't work for you? I don't know what it is, you.
I'm telling you, sometimes it's really,
Brady can't turn on my iMessage. What if you move
really,
like to
it's
like
a
walk over
3G
there?
works better than fucking Wi-Fi most of the time, dude.
No, in order to log on to my iMessage, I
That's
have to be
messages.
on Wi-Fi.
It's like $100 more.
No, that's not what we're talking about. You'd have to look at the back of the thing.
We'll go do it.
I'm not doing
That's
that
alright.
shit.
Oh! She almost got
I
that.
set mine up today.
Get it, Pepsi, let's go.
Get it! Oh,
You change this thing here in the app.
She will.
You need to take that fucking Pepsi, that shit.
No, like, let's get it. Reminds me of home.
get
I don't read it.
They did have a good article though on one Sunday about
Time is it?
legalizing weed.
4:35.
When I worked for the trip, they had this big picture of a marijuana leaf on the front of the paper. I was like, I picked it up. I was like,
Pepsi almost got that thing. No, you need to stay out here and get that thing. Oh, you want your water. I'm gonna bring her water out. Yeah.
Yeah, they found that one person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Military personnel through Operation
Because kids are running around, like step on cigarettes. Okay,
Dude, do you have any fat?
But aside from
Do
that,
you have any steak fat? No, she didn't. She
Try and
didn't
tell
eat
me I
fat.
can't smoke
The
like
restaurants.
Is this fat?
When they made that restaurant thing, it should be up to each owner.
Yeah.
It should be up to each fucking
Dad, is
owner.
this fat?
well, what it is that it's unfair to the
Is there bone in
employees.
this?
But if you don't want to work in a smoking environment,
No.
you don't
Go
have
somewhere
to.
else. What if that's the only job available? That ain't the only fucking job available.
Go to McDonald's.
Yeah, McDonald's. Yeah.
I never heard no employees bitching about that shit.
Yeah, never.
They said whenever they installed that smoking ban in New York, because New York's a big place for bars, and like, they didn't have the loopholes we have here. Because here, you smoke anywhere. We went to Web, we smoked. You go to fucking, any bar that's popular, you smoke. When they did that in New
She
York,
almost got it
they
though.
laid off 35% of the fucking people got laid off. Because they knew they're gonna lose business.
Yeah. It's bullshit.
It's not like California. You're not allowed to smoke
It's
within
just-
50 feet of a door.
Yeah. Government just needs to keep their hands off.
That's what I said, yeah.
If an individual restaurant owner wants to say, I don't want smoking in my
Oh,
restaurant,"
there it is. Come on,
you're
Pepsi,
trying
you
to
got
cater
it.
to families, cool
Oh,
with me.
get it.
But when the government
Get it.
mandates it,
Yeah.
Get it. Get it.
There's only bars
Get it, get
like
it.
that because the government.
Oh. Get it. She's almost got that thing.
I don't like that.
They got this.
Trying to get that thing.
yeah. So now you have to have.
She's stalking her prey, dude. Oh, she got it! Oh, she got it! Bam!
Yeah, get
You
it.
owe me
Pepsi.
$20.
Get that son of a bitch. Yes, she did, because she'd be all hesitant with it now.
See? Look at her. She's messing with it. She already ate that thing, though.
It's on the ground. It's on the ground. Look at it.
She's trying.
Come on,
I
mess
think
with
it
me
has
some
to
more.
be above 50% sales alcohol.
They have,
I think that's what
Come on,
it is.
let's go, bro.
Impossible.
She's like, let's go, bro. It's not dead yet.
Here's how it works in Pennsylvania.
She's screwing with it.
It's your
See, look at her.
I drink at a certain time period.
Look at her. Dude, she's screwing with it. Oh, it's dead now. The wings were moving. She's like, no, she's like this. She's like,
Well, you're allowed to eat
Oh, that's right. You're messing
bring
with
it.
so much.
Where's the next one? Come on.
Okay.
They made enough
So,
loopholes.
No, she didn't. It's still there.
They couldn't make it total non-smoking because the casinos being on.
Yeah, what's some of this dog?
Yeah.
Actually, it's dead. Don't eat it.
Oh, she bit it in half.
Dude, no, it was alive, but before.
Oh, she ate it.
No, she didn't.
No, she got it in her mouth.
She's gonna eat that shit.
She can't get it up. She can't pick it up.
I'm gonna make that after some filet, Pat.
I just step on it, then eat
Give her
it.
another piece of spice.
That's like a. That's
in her
like
mouth.
She ate it. Oh no, she's biting
It's in her
it.
mouth, but she's not swallowing it.
It's like a delicacy.
She just wants to bite it. Screw it.
She's like, yeah, flavor's good, but this is even better.
She's a fucking animal.
Right. She ate it.
And it's gone.
It's gone.
There's another one. Oh, look at her. She's down for the second
Don't
one.
mess with this dog. There's another one. No, they came down and tried to mess with her again.
It is.
She's like, ain't no stopping me. Look at
Tried to
her.
mess with her.
She's gonna get that one too.
Come
She
on,
got that
come
look
on.
in her eyes like, ain't nothing stopping me.
Dad, there is
That
wolf.
one's like, where's my fucking mom go?
It's gonna go in the hole.
You killed my mom!
It won't fit in there.
She's like, I got one of
It doesn't
the
fit in
whole
there.
fucking family.
Meanwhile, the whole family's gonna come in.
No, she's gonna be like.
That's why I
Oh, it went in the hole.
You're
It
all
went in the
out in
hole.
your front
It
yard
did?
playing
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
gone.
It went in the hole.
Yep.
They're all in the front yard right now, like playing the guitar.
It's scared.
Alright, he got her mom.
It saw them want to eat it.
You go around the
You go
garage.
around this
She's
side,
waiting.
you go around this side.
She's waiting.